In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change filing status on TurboTax. If you need to update your filing status while working on your return, TurboTax makes it fairly straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact path inside the platform so you can make the change confidently and continue with your tax return. First, sign in to TurboTax and open the returns you're currently working on. Once you're on the main screen, go to the My Info section. This is where TurboTax stores your personal and household details, including the information that affects your filing status. If you're not sure where filing status is controlled, this is the right place to start because TurboTax uses these profile details to determine how your return is prepared. After you open My Info, look for the option labeled Revisit. Click that to go back into the section and edit the information you previously entered. This is useful if you selected the wrong status earlier or if your situation has changed and you need to correct it before finishing your return. From there, click Continue. TurboTax may bring you through a quick transition screen or summary page, and selecting Continue will move you forward into the part of the interview where household details are reviewed. This step is important because your filing status is usually tied to the information TurboTax has about your marital and household situation. Next, go to the About Your Household section. This area contains the details TurboTax uses to understand your tax household, and it's where you'll be able to review and adjust the status that applies to your return. Take a moment here to read carefully, especially if you're switching between statuses that may sound similar, such as single, married filing jointly, married filing separately, or head of household. Once you're in that section, update your status. Select the filing status that correctly matches your situation for the tax year you're filing. Make sure the status reflects your circumstances as of the last day of that tax year, since that's generally what determines how you should file. After making the change, click Continue again to save your update and move on. TurboTax may recalculate parts of your return based on the new status, so give it a moment to refresh anything affected. And that's it. That's how to change your filing status on TurboTax. As a final tip, after updating your status, it's a good idea to review the rest of your return for any sections that may have changed as a result, especially deductions, credits, or dependent-related information.